Hello, I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man. So there have been press reports recently about lasting power of attorney applications being delayed. Alex Streeter is a solicitor within JMW's private client department. So Alex, what is a lasting power of attorney?
Well, a lasting power of attorney, Dominic, is a document that's put in place by someone whilst they have the capacity to do so. Essentially, it's a bit of an insurance policy. If they were to lose capacity, without this in place, no one would be able to kind of manage their finances, have any sort of say on medical treatment, that kind of thing. So a power of attorney is really something to have in place that gives, loved ones the ability to make those decisions for them if sadly they've lost the capacity to do so.
And so why would you put this lasting power of attorney into place?
I think that the biggest thing that we see quite regularly, some people have, just things as simple as money in the bank. But if they then had, God forbid, a car accident and lost the capacity to make decisions, no one can then access that bank without going through a very lengthy court of protection process to get deputyship. So a power of attorney is a really kind of simple document to have in place, which at that point can provide the power to someone else to deal with things like a bank account or anything like that, really.
And we see from the press reports that some of the reasons, not all of the reasons, but some of the reasons of the delays are that people haven't completed the forms correctly. It can obviously be a very stressful time as well when you've got a loved one who's ill. How can you help to ensure that everything is completed correctly?
I mean, they're very particular, these forms, in how they are signed, how they're dated. Everything needs to be in a very specific order. So the way we can help, we can give clients, really detailed instructions as to who's to sign when, and essentially guide them through the whole process, which, as you say, can be stressful on its own. So just to have a solicitor dealing with it who kind of knows what they're doing, could be a real advantage and prevent those delays so that it gets through as soon as possible. And
it's nice to know that you're there and you've done lots of this type of work before and you can help. Thank you for your insight, Alex. And if you'd like to speak to Alex, you can email insideman@jmw.co.uk or call 0161 82 81 999. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.